Okay, so today is March 7th, 2022, and it's midnight, and look around. There was a tornado yesterday that took out half of the neighborhood and destroyed, literally flattened many homes. My family, my parents' house hasn't had power in 2 days now, and now there's a blizzard happening. And I'm about to drive 26 hours 1,200 miles to San Diego, California, leaving a blizzard, which the last time I left on an adventure from Iowa, I also left a blizzard, so it's crazy. But this time, I left a blizzard and a tornado disaster. Tons of houses taken out in the neighborhood. And so it's tornadoes into blizzard and darkness with no power. I've been loading my stuff in the darkness with no power, and it's cold and freezing, and now we're ready to go to hot, sunny San Diego. Time for an adventure. This is gonna be crazy. Holy crap.